let's change the battery for Toyota keys. As you can see, the CHR, RAV4, also Corolla have the same key, so the procedure will be the same for all those models. First, remove the spare key, and after that insert it. You see here there's a space. Insert this space here and twist very gently. After that, gently jiggle this module. Not so hard because it has some pins, plastic pins. And you'll see the battery. It's CR2032. Let's open the new battery that will be inserted. Remove this tag. And for removing the battery, the whole battery, try to find this small space and pull it up. Out with the old one, in the new one. And that's all. Now let's mount. And you have just to click it. Insert the spare key, and that was all for Toyota CHR.